Hello, this is Neil Baum from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am the medical advisor for the Vanguard Communications Group, and I'd like to take about 5 minutes to give you an example how effective AI and particularly ChatGPT can be for obtaining prior authorization in minutes instead of hours. There are many applications of ChatGPT. I am listing them in these next two slides, but I'd like to call to your attention number 10. ChatGPT has the opportunity to increase the efficiency, productivity of the office, and decrease the workload for conducting mundane tasks in the office, such as obtaining prior authorization. My take-home message is that artificial intelligence and ChatGPT will support a medical practice and not replace physicians. So this video will cover the use of ChatGPT in the office setting, particularly to obtain prior authorization in just minutes. Let me give you an example how this works. You open ChatGPT by typing into your browser openai.com. You go and click on the ChatGPT, which is at this time free, and it will give you a prompt to offer a message in the message bar, and you type in your message. And this is a request for a multi-parametric MRI for a patient with a possible prostate cancer and the need for a prostate biopsy. I gave a fictitious name because I am not sure that this is encrypted, so I use John Doe, and I give the clinical information, and I ask for references to support the appropriateness of this procedure. Within just a few seconds, ChatGPT provides me with a letter to the insurance company, and all the medical assistant or the physician's assistant needs to do is to enter the patient's name and the identification number. And then this is submitted very quickly to the insurance company, and the ChatGPT provides the references. They provided about 5 to 7 references. I just abbreviated them for this presentation, and the references support my reason for requesting a multi-parametric MRI. So the ChatGPT enhances the efficiency of the office. That prior authorization was obtained within just a few minutes. It required minimal editing, putting in the patient's name, insurance information, and this can be sent immediately to the insurance company, and you can expect approval usually within 24 hours. If you were to use the phone or sending them a email requesting this procedure for your patient, it could take days or weeks. At the present time, obtaining prior authorization can take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours of uncompensated practice and or physician time. So what's the bottom line? ChatGPT definitely has a role in the future of medical practices, particularly in the office situation. It streamlines many of the tasks and responsibilities in the office. And as a result, the doctor can spend more time caring for their patients. Well, I hope you have found this video on the use of ChatGPT helpful and useful, and will give you just one idea of using ChatGPT in order to obtain prior authorization. If you would like a copy of the slide deck or the white paper on ChatGPT, you can reach me at this email address shown on the last slide. Thank you.